external style sheets for that matter, so that pages and also ensure that the users are able to access the page with or without styles. Okay. And also it should be checked by on each and every browser. Okay. We have 5 minutes left, so I'll just read out the important points which need to be included on the website. There should all forms should have labels, appropriate instructions right at the beginning before the person actually starts to fill up the form, and not in between the form elements. Okay. There should be correct markup, meaning the doc type of the web page should be clearly identified. Each and every content on the web page should have keyboard access. The purpose of all the links should all be clear, meaning whenever a person encounters a link, he should be clear that where he will be leading to, and there should be always a mechanism for him to understand whether he will be going to the same website he would be going within the website or an external website. You should also have metadata in order to come into the search engine list. The website should be tested on multiple browsers with multiple users, people with or without disability. We would go for automated tests initially, but it should always be backed by people with disabilities testing your website. As I said, security audit is a compulsion in GIGW. One needs to ensure that your website is certified by a agency called STQC, which looks after all Indian government websites. Okay. There are other guidelines relating to web hosting, promotion and management. You can have a look at that on the website web.guidelines.gov.in and download the entire document from there. Use compliance matrix at the end as a checklist, not at the beginning. Okay. You need to understand each and every guideline first, and then check it out with the compliance matrix that you have catered to all the requirements. Okay. Do you have any questions with relating? Yeah. Yes, madam.
Guidelines are not followed.
You won't pass the STQC test, which checks for not only the security audit but also the GIGW web guidelines. So you won't get the certificate, and ultimately people will know that you have not complied with GIGW. Yes.
We'll request everyone to raise their hand if they want to ask question. This event is recorded, so we'll need for the video also.
Okay. Yes, they have a team.
Hello. Hi. Thanks for this presentation.
Yes.
Actually, I have two doubts. First one, is there any website following these kind of standards?
Yes.
We have give me the link.
We have developed the National Portal of India. We have developed Ali Awad Jung Institute from Bombay. The website itself, GIGW website itself.
Can you tell me the URL?
India.gov.in, Bharat.gov.in, Ali Awad Jung, NIHH.
Okay.
AYJNIHH.
AY?
AYJNIHH. We have 1 minute to go if anyone has any other questions.
Okay, thank you.
Barry Brick Technology follows some of the guidelines, though it is not a government organization. So you can have a look at that.
Is there any outer time limit for the government websites to follow?
Sorry, who is answering?
Is there any outer time limit for the other government websites to comply with these guidelines?
This guideline was published in the year 2009. Sadly, there are only 5 to 6 websites right now who have complied.
So what is the
to
outer
it.
time limit, and if not complied, what is the penalty?
Sadly, in India, there is no time limit, okay, but they have to comply, okay. The government needs to act on websites which do not comply to these guidelines, okay, which is not happening. So
So there's
TechShare is
no penalty provision other than you saying that there's only that they
as
will not
of
be given
me-
the STQC.
as of me, yeah.
Actually, initially it is developed and it is in the just awareness going on. Most of the some of the sites they are following Government of India web guidelines. After few days it is made compulsory. Just like cyber security earlier it was an awareness. Now cyber security is compulsory for any government websites. So it is not compulsory now, but it is going to be compulsory. But some of the
It
sites
is compulsory, but no one is following. There has to be a stricter,
Yes.
axe on the head
Yeah.
types.
And,
Okay,
just like you have developed standardization district portal, some RTI websites they are following. Not 4-5. There are so many sites that are following
We are
Government of
trying
India web
hard.
guidelines.
But hopefully we'll see some results soon.
Yeah. But gradually it will be fully.
Thank you, sir.
But if you get a certificate, it is compulsory.
Yeah. If you have any more questions, we can have one-on-one.
Sure.
We will have to
Sure.
start
Thank
with the
you.
next event. Thank you. Thank you.